Hello. In this video, you will learn how to hold live streams on Twitch from the Proficonf conference room. Only Pro and Premium account owners can additionally purchase this feature. First of all, let's create a conference room. It can be an instant, scheduled event, or a permanent room. Invite speakers to the event room, and then the audience can be connected to the live stream. Go to the streaming menu. In the upper right corner, there is a menu for setting up live streams where you can enable or disable chat, enable or disable participants' thumbnails, select showing only the organizers or the active participants' video. There's also a field for entering the server URL, the field for entering the stream key, button Add Streaming Server. Don't close the browser tab and go to Twitch to create the stream, and then log in or sign up. Go to the Personal Account tab and enter the Video Producer menu. On the left side of the Author's Control panel, open the Preferences tab and select Channel. Here you can configure the main functions of your channel, as well as its appearance. Here you will need to copy the main stream key and paste it into the Stream Key field in the Proficonf event room. To get the server URL, you will need to go to the site you see on the screen, or follow the link in the description, where you'll need to select the closest web server and copy its link to the last slash symbol as shown on the screen. The closer you are to the server you have chosen, the less delay there will be on Twitch. Paste the copied address into the server URL field on the Proficonf conference room. Click the Add Streaming Server button. Press Start Streaming button to start the live streaming. Stream on Twitch will start automatically. You can track the stream on the Author's Control panel in the Stream Manager tab on Twitch. To end the stream, click the Stop Streaming button in the conference room in Proficonf. On Twitch, the stream will end automatically. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.